Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you a full Laravel project inventory management system. So this is going to be a full Laravel project with mysql database. So I am going to talk about the project. I will explain everything. I will go through the project and explain everything. So as you can see, when I start the application using PHP artisan serve, I can see login page. This is admin login page. So admin is the only user. Admin can log in and manage everything. So when I give wrong credentials and click on login, it says invalid credentials. Now let me use the correct password. So when login is successful, I am access to my dashboard. You can see admin dashboard, and you can see admin. Here you can see products, customers, orders, suppliers, and a logout button. So first I will click on products. I am going to add new product, so I am going to click on add product. You can see it says product added successfully. This is the product we have added. Now if I click on customers, I can see the list of customer. I can add new customer. Now if I go to my PHP myadmin, I can see the record in mysql database. Products, you can see the product has been added. Also the customers. Okay, now I will click on orders. This is my order list, so I can create new order. Customer, I can select the new customer, Peter. Product, Samsung Galaxy S25. Here, if I select one, you can see the price is displayed. The total price is displayed, and if I increase the quantity, the price is increasing. Create order. So when I try to create order, it is giving me a message, please add stock details first before creating order. So I cannot make order unless I add stock details. So I need to add stock details. So I will just click on stock. This is my stock list. So I am going to add stock for the new product. Product, Samsung Galaxy. Available stock 8. Current stock 8. Add stock. So now I can see the available stock and current stock. If I go to my products, you can see the quantity of Samsung is 8. So now I can make order. Let's give 1. Create order. Now you can see it says order created successfully and stock updated. So let's check stock. So now you can see the available stock is 8 and the current stock is 7. Because why 7? Because Peter has ordered one Samsung Galaxy. Okay. Now if I click on products and if I increase the quantity, so I'll just click on edit. I will increase to 10. Update. Product and stock updated successfully. Okay. So now you can see available stock is 10, current stock 9. Let's check database. This is the warehouse information. I can manage warehouse, I can add warehouse. So right now you can see I have a warehouse information, and if I click on suppliers, I can see the supplier information, and I can add supplier information. And if I click on categories, I can add new category. Let's add supplier. Supplier added successfully. Let's check database. And I can edit. Update. Supplier updated successfully. Delete. So when I click on delete button, it says, are you sure? Okay. Supplier deleted successfully. Now if I go to my dashboard, I can see now the number of products is 9, customers 6, orders 9, and we have 1 suppliers. And I can log out from the system.